Can a drone race through gates with nothing but a camera and an IMU? With no GPS, no motion capture, no pilot, but achieving fully autonomous flight on an unseen track. Hi everyone, I am Yan, a PhD student from UIUC. This is our Illinois team of 5 students and our professor Sayan Mitra. On May 5, 2026, our team went to the Washington Convention Center to attend the SCSP AI+Expo event. We unpacked and installed our AI control stack on the customized drone, with only hours to get the first flight ready. Here's the drone's raw onboard camera, and here's what our perception stack sees, the gate detector highlighting every red gate on our course. Localization comes from our visual inertial odometry algorithm that fuses camera and IMU so the drone knows exactly where it is. And a high-level planner calculates the route through the gates, and a tracking controller is used to close the loop and autonomously fly. We have shown dozens of autonomous flight demos for 3 days to a large crowd. And this is everything working at once: localization, planning, and control to fly through all 7 gates, runs after runs, on an unseen track we'd only have hours to prepare. The U.S. National Drone Association honored our team with a certificate of distinguished drone operations. I'm super proud of my teammates who can debug at sunrise and still smile at sunset. Thanks to SCSP for the invitation, StrongPoint for the drone platform, and Professor Sayan Mitra for backing us all the way.